Okay, so this is like my 800th video of the day, and they're all super really weird, so congratulations. But for real, we are going to do a couple of different things. I'm going to explain it in a video, so hopefully you will be able to do what you need to do. Okay, so the first thing you are going to work on looks like this. It talks about the 6 ways we can classify matter. And the first one is mass. And mass is the amount of matter in an object. And we measure that using a triple beam balance, and we record it using grams. So if you don't remember what our triple beam balance looks like, remember you have your plate over here, the 3 beams, and then you kind of like move it to measure mass. And like I said, it's measured in grams, a lot like pounds for weight. The next one, the next physical property we use to classify matter would be physical state. And there are 3 physical states. We have solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a set volume and a set shape. So that means that no matter where you put them, they're going to keep their shape, and also their volume doesn't change as well. Liquid has a set volume, but it doesn't have a set shape. So if you were to pour it out on the ground, it's going to spread out and make a puddle. If you pour it in a cup, it's going to take the shape of your cup. So yeah, it has a set volume, but not a set shape. And then the last one is gas. It has no set volume, no set shape. It is just wild, running free, and it's just floating all over the place. So that's gas. Those are our 3 physical states. The next way we can classify matter using physical properties would be magnetism. So if something is magnetic, you can test it using a magnet. Usually it is magnetic if it's what was I going to say? Oh, you test it using a magnet. If you hold it up to the magnet and it goes to the magnet, then it's obviously magnetic. If it's not pulled to the magnet, then it is not magnetic or non-magnetic. Usually iron is what we talk about, or like our metals. However, copper is a tricky one. It is a metal, but it is not magnetic. So that's something that we need to make note of. The copper is non-magnetic. Conductivity is our next physical property that we can use to classify our different types of matter. Conductivity, you can talk about electrical energy, or thermal energy, but we're talking about, does it conduct or does it insulate? So conductors let the energy pass through, and insulators stop the energy from flowing through them. Let's see here. Next is solubility. That's our next physical property that we're going to talk about. And it's another way we can classify different types of matter using our solubility. And basically, does it dissolve in water? So solubility is the ability of a solid to dissolve in liquids. So if we put our sugar in water, does it dissolve? If we put a rubber duck in water, does it dissolve? Talking about different things that will dissolve or disappear in water, but we know it's not disappearing. It's just spreading out evenly among the water particles. So relative density is our last physical property that we're going to talk about. And basically what that is whether something sinks or floats on water. Relative density is density compared or related to the density of water, or to water. So is it more dense and it sinks, or is it less dense and it floats? So yes, using this, you will fill out your paper right here. The next thing you will work on is this. It is different circuits. I'm going to let you build these circuits if you would like to, and then you're going to sort them on working or not working. And you're going to work on figuring out a solution on how to fix them if they are not working. Next, you have these right here. You're going to draw a picture of sinking and floating with relative density. So pretty easy. You're going to draw your water in there. You're going to give me something that floats, so less dense than water, and sinks, which is more dense than water, and you're going to label it. Okay? And then you'll get to do a cool little lab like this with me in class. and we will go over it together, but you're basically just testing if something is a conductor or an insulator. So, love y'all.